Let's go live. Okay, so theoretically, we should be live. Theoretically. Um, Let me do some complicated, um, magic and get the YouTube chat loaded up on my phone. How's everybody doing today? I hope you're doing fine. I hope the day has treated you just right. Um, we're going to be messing around with the pre-release of Fedora today because I've been using it for a few days now, but I haven't really done anything to it, and that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to theme it, kind of just play around with it, have a good time. Yes, let me load up my own live stream. Thank you. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Ow! Oh, oh, rolled my elbow on the table. How are all you fine people doing? Party, what's up? Jonathan, how's it going? Um, Nitmir, I'm terrible with names, so we'll just roll with that. How you doing, buddy? And Documatson, oh, dude, that is a freaking great name. Like it reads like documentation. It's beautiful. Like I've got my tiny phone just cut like a couple feet away from me, and it looks like your username is documentation, and I love it. I forgot I had this tab open. Well, what better way to surprise somebody than to scare the shit out of them? You know, I don't think there is a better way. So, kind of me doing this is going to be a little bit twofold. For one, I do just want to mess around a little bit more with Fedora, just kind of theme it a little bit, play around with it. Not too much. I plan on doing because really, in all honesty, I'm extremely happy with the pre-release. It's great. It really is. It's fantastic. So we're gonna do a little bit of theming just because I want to. So we'll probably slap a GTK theme on, maybe theme the icons, and I probably will change around the mono font on the system. Probably all we'll do theming wise, just to play around. I've installed and set up Mango HUD on the system, so like I can actually get like performance stats during games. And I had someone on Discord say that I should check this out, Project Gorgon. And so this is what we're going to do after we kind of mess around with theming it and also checking out. I'm going to talk a little bit, obviously, about this pre-release here on Fedora, and then we're going to check out this game. I'll download it here in just a second. Wait, hold on. It's $40. Yeah, so okay, we're gonna get the demo, and while we're checking out shit, I'll go ahead and get this started downloading. So when we're ready, we can play it. Um, I'll show you the like little trailer they have going on here. I'm not huge into MMOs and stuff, and I have a feeling I'm gonna be shitting on this game like pretty hard. Project Gorgon. Uh, this is a $40 game, like a $40 game, and it genuinely looks so much worse than Skyrim. And it's early access, and it came out in 2018. So yeah, I'm gonna be poo-pooing all over this, but let's download this demo. It's a $40 early access game. Like that is fucking impressive. Um, just wowzers. Okay, so we'll go ahead, get this started, downloading, finish. Cool. So let's talk about the pre-release. Hopefully you guys are interested in Fedora. I mean, I would assume if you've clicked on this, you're either interested in Fedora or interested in me talking about Fedora. So yeah, Cat Poochin V2, of course, we're sticking with the Cat Poochin theme. Okay, it's just this is the theme I like. Okay, Cat Poochin is beautiful. Exactly. Just a Linux guy. Thank you for being here. And I know, like me doing Linux things, it's the way that it should be. So, first things first, Fedora 37. How is it? Let me go into the settings just so I can like show that I actually am on it. I guess that's kind of important. Oh, let's see. About. Yep. So, we're here on Fedora. Obviously, Brent here is driving this. If you don't know this about me, I like to give my computers ridiculous names, like absolutely ridiculous. So like if I'm running Debian, like my computer name is Deborah. Like, I just like doing that type of shit. I believe my local home networks like domain name or domain address, like whatever that shit is like Taco Bell.footlettuce or some shit. So yeah, like I do like giving computers in the house ridiculous names. So you guys are getting to meet Brent today. Please be nice to him. He has self-esteem issues, but he's an overall great computer, great guy, solid. Brent's not rude. He's not an asshole yet. He hasn't treated me like that yet. But yeah, so I've technically got 15 terabytes in this computer. Don't think too much about it. It's not like that's mostly NVMe storage anyway. But one of the things I do find interesting about the pre-release here is the GNOME version is just like not listed. Wait, hold on. Fedora 37 Workstation Edition? Hold on. I did an update earlier today. Did they actually? Is this like now it's actually released? What the fuck? Get out of here. Get out of here. The day that I want to do a live stream and talk about my experience using the pre-release for now, it actually releases. Bullshit. This is awesome. Fedora 37. Let's just search Fedora 37. Let's see if it's out. Oh my god. Did they literally release it? Like, I know, Ghost Ranger. It's good to be here. Exactly. I like Sakomo. Again, I definitely butchered your name. I'm sorry. Every single person that butchered your username, I'm just gonna stop apologizing for it. It should just be a given from now on. If I butcher your username or someone else complains about me butchering their username, just on my behalf, tell them sorry, because I'm not going to keep doing it. It's getting to the point where now every time I say anything with someone's username, I'm just apologizing for butchering it. But yeah, like I'm actually using Linux and I'm enjoying it. And let's see, Fedora Workstation. Okay, no, so it is still beta. So it is still all right. As of yesterday, this said Fedora Linux 37 pre-release or Workstation pre-release. So I'm gonna assume they're releasing this bitch like real soon. Like I would assume it would be like tomorrow or the next day. Like this is gonna be released very shortly. The GNOME version is still not available for some reason, but it's new. I'll tell you that. It looks fantastic. Like it's so great. Like let me get this drop down up here. Like just look at that. Like the animation is not only good for it, but just the buttons, gorgeous. Like fuck me, that is good. You did a great GNOME. Like just for all the shit that we give you, can someone just please give them a pat on the back? Like that's good. Like this right here is good. Like damn, man. Like that is just, it's great. It really is. Like just the fact that you can enable and disable dark mode from right here is really cool. Not that I'm ever going to enable light mode, because like I like being able to see and personal preference, but that's fucking dope. Like that is really good looking. That is exceptionally good looking. Like that's really good. And there's a lot, like to me, what makes Fedora 37 so good is it's this kind of shit everywhere in the system. It's small, like not really that noticeable stuff, but just improves the usability of everything. Like, and not in a very practical sense. It makes you appreciate using stuff more. Like, for one, the highlighting behind stuff, like when your mouse hovers over things in the Files app, it just kind of looks better. If I wanted to like drag something like here into this folder, the highlighting is just better. Like I don't know, it's a whole bunch of really small stuff in this release that just it makes it better than Windows. Like and by better than Windows, I mean it's better in the sense that it has that same kind of, I don't know. It feels like it has like not a small team of people behind it, if that makes any sense. Like the bigger like mainstream desktop OSs like Windows and Mac, they just kind of have a feeling that like even if you don't like it, even if you disagree with the way they do shit, like it just feels like they have a team of people behind them, which is I don't know. It's nice. Oh shit! Whoops. Party. I don't know what your message was. Hold on. View deleted message. Brent is not a bitch. Okay. Sorry. I accidentally hid your message. I meant to show, but I'm using my phone, so pressing buttons on that tiny screen right now is not helping out. But thank you guys for coming to the stream too. If you guys have any particular questions about Fedora before I keep just blabbering on about it, let me know. And while I do blabber on about it, let me go ahead and go over to the cat poochin like thing. Actually, hold on. I think I already have my themes in here. Add on some themes, teams. Let's go down in here. Get cat poochin mocha. Wav. Beautiful. Gorgeous. You looking fucking great. All right. Looking great. Let's go down to my GTK. Beautiful, beautiful. We could also theme grub while I'm here too, but we won't do that. We won't do that. Let's go to the releases, and we want not the flappe. We want the mocha mauve. That's what we want. Let's unzip this. Oh, my screen flashed there for a second. I'm going to assume that was something to do with Wayland. Just going to assume. Let's do a kit on that. Let's go to show hidden files. And, oh, don't already have it. Let's do new folder, dot themes. And then in here, let's go up pasta. Good. We have pasta in our GTK theme. We'll apply that here in a second. But before we do that, I think we'll go ahead. Should we go ahead and do an icon theme as well? I mean, I gotta be honest. I don't dislike the GNOME like icon default icons. Hold on, let me do this. I've been meaning to do this. Let's games. Yep, perfect. Gorgeous, gorgeous. We're gonna need a folder for all our games. Because for some reason I'm adding, even though I will never launch a game just straight from here, I've decided to just leave the box checked to add them for some reason. Why not? Should we go ahead and do the icon theme or not? Wait, it releases in 2 weeks? Well, then why on God's green earth would the pre-release section in the about have gone? Ah, there we go. Now it's showing 43, but it's still saying Workstation Edition. It used to say like Workstation Pre-Release Edition or something like that. All I know is pre-release was in here. I mean, I'm just gonna assume it's an oversight. Yeah, but wait, oh yeah, papyrus folders. That's what I was going for. All right, so let's go down in here. We need to get to papyrus icon theme if we're going to do this. Indeed. Okay. Oh yeah, I know it'll just change. So just in case you guys know this, for Cat Poochin, if you want to do the icon themes, it only changes like their thing does not install papyrus. You still need the regular papyrus icon theme. So let's go and get it. Papyrus icon theme. Let's go and get it. And by the way, how is the audio, boys? Could the audio be improved? Do I need to raise my volume up, down? Is it perfect the way that it is? Let me know, because knowing me and audio, I probably sound like dog shit right now, and you guys are having to do a lot of work just to listen to me. So yeah, let me know. But we want to go to the latest release. And we want to get, I guess we'll just get the source code zip. From everything I remember, every time I download the icon theme straight from their releases page, takes, okay, never mind, it does not take a second. Papyrus icon theme, yeah, that's going to take a second to extract. Perfect, awesome, sick. Matt's going to hate me because there has never been a time when I do the podcast where he's like, dude, your audio is perfect. Sounds phenomenal. It's never happened. There is always some small amount of work I could do to my audio to make it better. Oh wait, hold on. Badoo. We gotta go. We want Papyrus regular and Papyrus dark. Actually, you know what? We won't do. We'll just do. Yeah. No, just do the regular. Cut that and go into home. New folder, dot icons, and then inside of icons, pasta that. Okay, now we go back over to Capuchin, and we need to run these commands. Let's pop over into the terminal. Control-Shift-V. So, just so you guys know, the very few things that I've done to the system, like, other than default Fedora, all I have done to this system over the few days that I've been running it is I went into the terminal settings here, into preferences, and changed, like, obviously the name of the profile that you start with to Zany's profile. And I just messed around with, like, I think I removed the scroll bar, expanded the scroll back limit by 5,000, and I changed the cursor shape to an underline. And I also installed extensions, tweaks, Godot, the Godot engine, and Steam, and GIMP, and OBS. Oh, and WebCore. So I installed like 4 or 5 apps, and like the things you would like normally think of. And the reason I installed I almost said Twinks. The reason I installed Tweaks is because here you need this so you can apply the dark theme to the legacy applications as well. So that's literally all I've done. That's it. I haven't done anything else. So now I've got the icon themes installed. Do we have to be like, wait, hold on. Do we have to do like a restart or some shit to be able to choose the GTK theme from here? Icons, shell. Legacy applications. I'm so confused. Wait. Shouldn't we have it in here? We'll have to check on that here in a second. But okay, let's go ahead and let's go. Oh yeah, hold on. We do have to change this because it's not in user share. It is in, got to give it the squiggly line and do dot icons, right? And Papyrus. There we go. Copy that on in there. All right. And let's copy this command. And we want to change this because I want, instead of Papyrus dark, we're just doing the regular Papyrus theme. And instead of Mocha blue, we're going to do Mocha mauve. Bada bing, bada boom, perfect. And so now if we go into like, wait, hold on. Tweaks. Ethan, how's it going? How's it going, man? Hope you're doing well. Ah, gotcha. It's not super low. What have you done? Wait, what do you mean? Icons, papyrus. So now, if I go down here, ooh, them icons are looking good. Files, come on, load up. Oh no. No. This is not a icon problem. I'm pretty sure it's my massive what I like to call my BFD, my big fucking drive. It's like my 12 terabyte drive. It will do this sometimes. This is not a problem of files. It would be a problem with my drive just being an ass. Oh, now I got you. Now I got you, Jeff. Yes. Um, okay, so do I need to log out? Is that literally what it is? Like for my GTK themes to be there? I guess it has been a hot minute since I've done any theming to GNOME. I guess so. I mean, it would make sense that I need to log out and log back in for it to be there. But I don't want to log out and log back in. So this might be the extent of our theming. You are fighting a Dueta. Well, the only thing I'm finding in tweaks is the regular Adueta theme default. Yeah, so I guess I will have to do a log out and log back in, but that's going to kill the stream. So we're not going to do that. We're not going to do that. But I guess we can just keep messing around with Fedora. See why the hell not. So out of the gate, like really in all honesty, like nothing is really all that different from the last release of Fedora in this one. There's really not that much different other than obviously more updated, like more packages are newer and they've done some really nice improvements to UI, but they're all minor. Like they're not wild or crazy or anything. They're just very minor, nice like changes to the system. And I will also say, I am really liking Wayland. Like, Wayland is really nice. I've also been using WebCord as my Discord client. It's beautiful. It's fantastic. So, yeah, if you guys got any more questions about Fedora, since I'm using it, and if you're not, ask me whatever you want to ask about Fedora, the newer GNOME, just the experience overall. I think their smart money is on you ditching GNOME at some point and going with OpenBox. Just saying. Well, I mean, I move on to stuff all the time. Like, I mean, if you're putting out bets on whether or not I'm going to be trying out something new or using something different in 2 months, like, you don't even got to bet on it. Like, it's just going to happen. Tweak only changes the GTK thing. Yes, yeah, that's for messing with actual GTK stuff. And that's all I'm applying. Like, hold on, let me make, well, I would say let me load up into files, but can't. Hold on, can I kill all, is it GNOME dash files or file dash manager? It's some shit right like that, right? What is it called? Kill, like, what is GNOME's files called? Like, what's the actual name for it? Is it, hold on. GNOME file name. GNOME files, Nautilus. Like, is it actually still called Nautilus? That's the real question. Nautilus, okay. Nautilus. Wait, hold on. Did I spell that right? Nautilus. There we go. Okay, so now, perfect. There we go. Awesome. Beautiful. Okay, so now let me go in here. For one, we got the correct folders and shit, so it all looks good. Let's see, dot icons looks good. Dot themes, yeah, it should be dot themes. That's why we don't have it. Let's copy all of that. Click cut. I do this every single time. Click cancel. Let's move this up into home. Go into dot themes. Well, I hate when they do that. Like move trash. Like why pack it in like that? Where is it? Cat pooch in. There we go. Cut that. I could just drag it in here, but I guess I'm doing everything on hard mode today. Why not? Where's my papyrus folders? Let's move trash. Get rid of that. Let's go up here and don't show all the hidden files. Beautiful. Now if I go into tweaks, appearance. Shit. Well, no, that's cursor. Dipshit. Okay. Legacy applications. Capuchin Mocha Mauve. Okay. Does that not... That would be, it would be fantastic if I could do it on just all applications. Why are you telling me like why is it saying legacy applications only? Why I can't do it? Do I have to do this? Hold on. Let's go over here. GTK. Let's read instructions. Maybe you got to do it a different way. Dot themes. Select via your desktop specific tweaks application. GNOME tweaks. I mean, it could just be the fact that I'm going to be or that I'm using a newer version of GTK. Could be that. It's not going to take you 2 months to change GNOME out. Yeah, you will. I won't say you're wrong there. I'm so confused. So you just can't? I'm so confused. But fuck it. It's not like I'm really all that butthurt. I really don't care. I just thought, isn't it? Hold on. Isn't this kind of like how it's supposed to work? You go in here. Yeah, it's only got legacy applications. So you just can't theme everything. Awesome. Awesome, GNOME. Fantastic. Yeah, I have this weird sneaking suspicion that I'll probably be moving on to a different Tyler. I gave it away there. Okay, I'm planning on moving to a tiling window manager. Just it definitely won't be this one because I've been really liking, really liking Wayland. Don't ask me why. I genuinely have no fucking clue. I've been against Wayland for a hot minute. And all of a sudden here lately, I'm like, Wayland kind of fucking nice. And I've been checking out Noom, and this looks fucking sick. I gotta be honest. This looks like a really nice tiling window manager. So I've been checking it out. We're gonna see. I haven't tried installing it and actually playing around with it. I've just been looking at posts from other people and trying to find people who've done videos on it, which it's actually surprisingly hard to find videos of people checking out this window manager. But I'll probably be doing a video on it before too long here on Fedora. Yeah, it's been really nice playing around with Wayland. I've actually really enjoyed it. Haven't had any problems Wayland specific, but I say it's time for us to move on to this game. So I was sent this, told to check it out. It's called Project Gorgon. It's a fantasy MMORPG that lets you forge your own path through exploration and discovery. This will be interesting. Okay, so this came out in 2018. So let's see their excuse for having it in early access for... What is that? 3 years. Well, technically 4 years, but we're fuck it, dude. Stop getting into details, okay? Why early access? Although Project Gorgon is already quite playable, there is still a lot of systems and content to add. It's a sprawling MMO. Like, yeah, okay, yeah, we get it. It's a fucking MMO. You gotta add shit. Okay. Early access will allow us to get more funding to further improve the game's graphics. Dog, get the fuck out of here. Come on. This is literally 1999 graphics. Maybe you could make an argument that this is 2004 graphics. Get the fuck out of here. Okay. All right. You're just gonna have to redesign the whole fucking game if we're gonna be honest. If you're gonna improve the graphics, that looks cool there, but this still looks like maybe PS3 graphics, maybe. But hey, like, look, all right, it's only $40. Okay. It's only $40. So, all right, I'm just gonna stop shitting on it. Like, I think you guys get the point. The actual like store page is not really selling me on it. The graphics don't really sell it on me. The details of the game actually raise a lot of red flags. But let's try it out. Project Gorgon demo. Let's try this out. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and mute it because it's just going to play music and I don't know if it's safe for YouTube. Wait. Click login to log in with your Steam account. Okay. Hold on. Let's let me go over here to our desktop. Oh my god, yeah. That is way louder for y'all than it is for me. Jesus, like, let's turn that down. Like, hopefully that audio there is bearable. Good lord. Apparently this is coming out way louder for you. Yes, this is Fedora. For any of you guys just popping in, we've kind of like messed around with Fedora 37. We've talked about it for a little bit. Tried theming it too, to like some avail. Enter a name. But now we're going to check out. So for anybody who's just popping in, I had someone on Discord reach out, tell me that I should check out this MMO game. It's an early access from 2018. It's got a lot of red flags, but we're going to see this. It's a $40 game. This is what $40 gets you. Okay? I'm not, if I had spent $40 on this, I would not be fucking impressed right now. But hey, I'm not that big of an MMO player, so who knows? For MMOs, this might look really fucking solid. I have no idea. Can I do my like normal degenerate name that definitely should get me kicked out of here? Make big ticks. Can I do that? Let's do, so I can go human. Wait, elf or fairy or wait, elf. Holy shit. Get the fuck out of here. Dude, this is like legit PS1 graphics. PS2 graphics? Maybe? God, that is... Holy shit. Rakshas. What the fuck is this? Oh my god. Bro, you get... Rakshasa? I don't know. Rakshasa. Yeah, we're gonna go with that. Originally came from another world. Fucking tell me about it, brother. I got that. I got that part. But since becoming stranded on this world, new generations of Rakshasa have developed a sense of morals and righteousness. Well, get the fuck out of here. What are you doing that shit for? They are still learning to combine their warrior instincts and newfound sense of fairness. God. Oh my god. Okay. Alright. Skin tone. Oh, this is... There's so much wrong with this. Oh my god. This is wild. Look at it. Like, you can... Oh my god. You can literally see the break in the model there. Like, you can literally see through your hand. Oh my god. This is... Bro. $40 gets you shit on nowadays. Wow. Yeah. $40. God damn. Oh my god. This is not okay. Okay. Alright. Fuck it. We're rolling with this dude. Create. I'll never join you. What? We'll see. Finish his mind wipe and preparing for transit. McBig Tits will be my pet project. What the fuck? Okay. Alright. So clearly they don't have, like, any sense of, oh my... Talk about UI shitstorm. What is this? Welcome to Project Gorgon. Welcome. This is a game about exploration, and your first task is to find a way off of this island. We'll give you 60 seconds of combat training. You'll give me a minute of combat training. Fucking yeet. Alright, boys. After this minute, me and you boys, we are world conquerors after this. There's a backpack nearby with some useful stuff. Pick it up. Okay? Alright, I'm clicking on the screen and we're not walking. Thank fuck. That is not how this game works. You have to click and drag to look around. Okay. A and D just rotate your character around. Oh my god. Get the fuck out of here. This is... Oh my god, this is terrible. Oh my god. The movement is terrible. Like... This is unreal, dude. So like, this is strafing right now. Like, I am pressing A&T, and it's just rotating me. I can go back and forward. So like, all right, if I want to turn while moving, this is the experience of turning while walking. Okay. All right. Drop backpack. Someone's travel bag. Take. Give me this. Dude, oh my god, if I paid $40 for this, I would be... Oh my god, I'd be so livid right now. You found some food and a sword. Eat the food and equip the sword. Press the backpack icon on the right side of the screen, then right-click the food. It's your sword icon. Oh, I can't even read this. I'm just over the moon about this. I'm ecstatic, man. This is going to be fucking great. Okay, so this text box down here... join chat room demo. There are 17 other... Get the fuck out of here. There are 17 other people doing this demo right now. No fucking way. That's a lie. That's a fucking lie I've ever heard. Alright, so this backpack icon. I gotta find that. Okay, backpack icon. So we got some crude underwear, undershirt. We've got a hardtack. Some damp biscuits. Not appetizing, but much better than starving. So, do I drop it down in here? Equip. Eat. Okay, there's some feeble old skeletons nearby. Walk up, click on one, then press the sword attack button to hit it. Repeat as needed. So where's waterlogged guardian, dilapidated guardian? Oh my god, dude, I can already tell you this combat system is fucked. Alright, so I click on it. Wait, but which one am I clicking on? Okay, so I'm gonna look like this, click on him, then go 1. That was the most engaging combat I've ever had. Like, all right, like, hold on, search corpse. Sure, take all. You found armor. Equip that. It'll give you armor points, which will help keep you alive. When you're attacked, half the damage is absorbed by your armor and the other half by your health. If you run out of armor, all the damage goes to your health instead. If you run out of health, you die. Oh, fuck. Really? That's how it works? No loot. Okay. Okay. Oh, so we have tab targeting here. So I can just tab through all these. That's fucking awesome. I was really worried about that not being there. Like, oh my god, look at the character icon. Like, when I turn... God, this is so weird. Exactly. Like, dude, this has like, they're using like default like fonts. Like, they haven't even changed the font. All right, so 1. Can't do anything. Couldn't attack. So there's... You just learned the ability parry. Defensive maneuver that diminishes enemies' rage. Diminishes enemies' rage. What? Like, what? You can now explore the island. Fucking yeet. Okay, so I can now just go off and explore this place. That is awesome. Old bottle. Where's it at? Oh, it's down there. Take. Yeah. So, boys, just in case you were ever wondering, how does a cat man swim in an MMO? This is it. He goat seeds his butt cheeks right here. That is the most disturbing animation I have probably ever seen in my entire life. Like, just look at that. Oh my god, that is just... Why is his ass crack opening up? Like, what in the shit? And also, who swims like this? Like, what is this? I don't think I don't think this race has really figured out swimming all that well. Dude, I'm telling you, I've heard this music from somewhere, and I'm telling you, ring bell, the sound carries oddly, perhaps magically. There's no response. What? See, this... Oh my god. Like, already I'm not a big fan of MMOs, and god, this is just... This is not the way to pique my interest in this show. Oh my god. Hold on, let me get into some engaging combat here. Oh, that felt so realistic and engaging. I was able to press buttons. Oh no, we have another fight coming up here. 1. Okay, he's hit me. So now I can't do anything. Engaging. Best combat ever. Oh, no, I didn't mean to eat. Okay. Oh, glorious. Oh, and, okay, so I can move. That's awesome. Take all. Oh, come on. Like, let me... I want these pick mushrooms. There's mycology in the game. Are you... You gotta be fucking kidding me. There's mycology in the game? What? So, like, are you saying if I wanted to, I could just do, like, my favorite real-life hobby and just go, like, mushroom? What the fuck is that thing? Oh my god, no. Ryan, what the fuck is it? What the fuck are you doing, dude? Okay, yep, okay, so this is how you die in this game. You can't apparently run from a fight once you've, okay, this is probably the, what the fuck is happening? Okay, oh, fucking sick. What the is that a dinosaur? Did I just get killed by a velociraptor? What the fuck is happening? Boys, I am like 90... I did. It was a fucking velociraptor. This cannot... This... They wanted $40 for this? your near-death experience. I fucking died. I didn't have a near-death experience. I was torn apart by a velociraptor. Temporary insanity. You find that you can only speak in rhyme. This is a roleplay effect, meaning that you should roleplay it to the best of your ability. It has no in-game effect. Hold on. Boys. So, I just died, and there's supposed to be a death mechanic where I go insane. But it's not actually a game mechanic in the sense that the game does this. It's a mechanic in the sense that you are expected to do it yourself and role play it as a player. I am amazed by this game. All right, let's get back into this super engaged. Okay, well, okay. Engaging gameplay. Stun locked. This is, boys, I'm having some fucking killer gameplay, boys. Oh, don't worry, it happens, but I couldn't help but noticing you're naked. You can find it. Oh my god, this is just. Let me just go ahead and do this thing. Let me just quit the game. Can I? Let me just go ahead and do this. I'm gonna go ahead and just remove this and just uninstall it. And then just forget it existed. Because otherwise I'm going to write a very negative review. That is... Actually, you know what, boys? Let's do the important thing here. Let's go and see the reviews. I've got... Overall reviews are very positive. You have got to be... I want to say that the game itself is very unique. The ability essentially to come... No, hold on. See, this is an honest review. 460 hours? Dude, I am completely fucking up over here. Like, there is... I did not realize that I could make probably the shittiest... Like, I could make the shittiest game I wanted to and release it. Like, why have I not been releasing all of my half-baked projects? Literally, judging based off of the reviews of this game, I could release any of the half-baked projects I've been doing since I was 14. And there would be people who would highly rate it, even if I asked for $40. Not for everyone, but if you like a very different MMORPG, this may be the game for you. About 250 hours on record, I'm still having a blast. What the fuck? Oh my god. Okay, my taste... Alright, I'll never understand it. I'll never understand MMOs. I never will. I'll never try to. I'll never fucking get them. Ever. I will never get them. Like, ever. Bro, if that is engaging to you, more power to you. I'm impressed. I'll say that much. To whoever sent this to me in Discord and wanted me to check it out, well, there's my opinion. I think it sucks ass. But if you want an MMO, here's one. Just know there's probably about 15, even as somebody who doesn't like MMOs, I'll tell you, there's probably about 25 different ones that are better than this and cheaper. Probably not over the long run, but upfront cost, definitely cheaper. Holy crap. I'm impressed. That's just wowzers. That's terrible. No. Jeff will play good retro games. This is just a game that looks retro, but came out like this game literally like you could have told me that this came out in '98, and I'd be like, looks right. I'd be like, yeah, a year after I was born, sounds about right. Like, yeah. God, I'm flabbergasted that that is an MMO. That was amazing. Wow. Um, but yeah, so checked out that. To be honest, gaming here on Fedora has been really nice. Like, I've really enjoyed it. I've been playing like quite a bit of DayZ. I'll go ahead and load it up because I don't think I've tried streaming DayZ since I've switched over to Fedora 37, and I also have Mango HUD running for the game. So I guess I can show that off. Minimize that window. For some reason, the launcher for DayZ just loves to come back up and overlay the game. For some reason. Yes, oh yeah. Doc Masson, yes. I am playing at 1440p right now. So like, yeah. That UI, like the UI was just obscene. Everything about that game was obscene. Like they were using a font that I guarantee you was not special at all. It was probably the default like font in the game engine that they were using. There was a lot about that was just wrong. And that's coming from somebody who plays DayZ, which is widely renowned to be like the word. Like this is a confusing as shit UI. And not only do I put up with this UI, I kind of like it. So many people would say my taste in UI is shit. And even I will tell you that was just, oh my god, that was terrible. So yeah, this is DayZ. You know what? Hold on. Let me start up a fire. And I'll start drying off my clothes and warming up here. And we can talk some more about Fedora. I grab this stick, break it down into some short sticks. Oh, by the way, in DayZ, there's my car. I've actually found a car and got it working, fixed up. Got all my tires in here. I've got this thing, the trunk of it loaded up with shit. And I'm trying to get a base built here. I've started putting down, I'm going to put down a wall right outside of this door. I'm going to put another one out right outside of here, outside of this door, and make the bar kind of my immediate base location. And I'm going to take the car eventually and keep it here in this parking lot. And I'm going to build, fences around the parking lot here. So I can, comfortably park me wee little car. I can't speak. But I mean, this base will be pretty raidable. And really the whole point of it is not to have like a secure base, but really I just want to have a base of operations here in DayZ. But believe it or not, I am actually running default GNOME. Now, DayZ does not look like GNOME one bit. That's for damn sure. Let me go ahead. I'll plop that in here in there. Let's see, do I have a little piece of paper? I do. Throw that in there for some kindling. And hold on, do I have a hatchet? I think I do. Yep. Take that hatchet. Go over here. Wait, hold on. Yeah, no, gather wooden log. This will take a second. All right, cool. Now let me grab some firewood. Go ahead and throw that in there. And let me take my matches. Or I'll take the lighter. Light that bad boy up. Perfect. Good. I don't know if it's night or morning here in DayZ. I have no idea. But to finish up and get started on the base that I'm building here, I just gotta grab a shovel in this game. Just gotta go grab a shovel. But yeah, that's what I've been doing in DayZ. I'll get that fire started for when I start back playing. When I log back onto the server, hopefully that fire will still be going. But yeah, let me go ahead. Sure, you can go ahead and force quit. It doesn't matter. But yeah, so I've been enjoying playing games a lot here on Fedora. It's been really nice. And again, I've been using Wayland, like nothing crazy. Restart Steam, close. Yeah, I'll start Steam here in a minute. Close this. But yeah, I've been enjoying it. I've been using default Wayland. I haven't had any problems. I've enjoyed it. No problem. Oh yeah. Yes, Peter. I was playing DayZ. I've been kind of addicted to DayZ. Not kind of. I've been extremely addicted to DayZ lately. Still been playing DayZ on the Steam Deck pretty religiously. It's fantastic. I know a lot of people complain about DayZ on the Steam Deck because like there's so many key bindings and buttons to do different stuff and everything. But I've found a controller set up. I've modified it a little bit and it works for me. So I've been playing that game there a lot. And overall, I've just been liking it. The only thing that we've done so far on the stream for anybody who's like just now popped in, we've been talking about Fedora on and off. Mostly for the first part of it, we were talking about it quite a bit. And my Files app continuously likes to be a turd. Kill all Nautilus. It's because my BFD, I've got my really slow, like 12 terabyte hard drive in here is just being a turd. So, but yeah, like we've changed up the icon theme and we did apply the cat poochin theme, but it's not applying system wide because GNOME is GNOME. So yeah, but overall, I've really enjoyed my time with Fedora. And by my time, I mean the time that I've spent with it here lately, the new version, that is. I've been using Fedora for actually, pretty sure a couple weeks now. This is a Mac wallpaper? Yeah. Well, I've got a 1440p wallpaper, or 1440p screen, and there's just no denying it. Mac's wallpapers look fucking phenomenal. Like, they look amazing on a high resolution screen. They look fantastic. And let's be honest with each other. I've been wanting a new wallpaper. I'm tired of all the ones that I have. So I've been going to Cat Poochin's. Hold on, let me go down here to their GitLab or GitHub repo. And if you go down in here, I've been wanting some new wallpapers, but their wallpaper repository has been down for weeks because they've been reworking it or doing some shit to it. And I just want my Cat Poochin wallpapers back. Homie, that's all I want. It's all right. It'll come soon enough. We'll get it back. I absolutely adore this. Also, before I forget, one of the things that I need to do eventually is I need to put my own report in for the Steam Deck, because you can see there's only one like this one. I have no idea what this guy is talking about. Like on the Steam Deck, you don't have to put in this variable here. Since literally I've had my Steam Deck, which has been for like probably a month or two, maybe more. Well, no, I've had it since my birthday, before my birthday. So it's been a while. I've had it. Since I've had it, never had to set this to get the game working. On other distributions, you do, but not on the deck. I literally have to set 0 launch options or anything. So I don't know what this dude, like, what his problem was, but everyone that I know that plays Daisy on the deck, it works just fine. This is the only review that's probably the most reasonable. Is like there's not enough buttons on the controller to do everything, which I can kind of agree with. But I want to post my own because I fixed this problem. Like I have a customized controller config that I need to publish to the community on Steam, but I just haven't. Because I have a great time with it on the Steam Deck. It's been great. Like, genuinely and honestly, I cannot sell the Steam Deck enough. Like, if you need a new computer and you occasionally play games, if you buy something else, just being honest, you made a mistake. Like, objectively, you made a mistake. Like, it's the best. Like, doesn't matter if you've already got a computer set up, like, you've got a keyboard, mouse, monitor, all that stuff. Like, good. Hook the deck up to it. Like, buy the deck and a dock. Like, it'll save you money buying a new computer. It'll probably outperform whatever computer you're going to buy, unless you were going to spend hundreds of dollars more. Like, it's a good fucking deal. I really like my deck. I fucking love it. It's a great device. Oh my God, buddy farted. It's terrible. I'm going to get gassed out of my own room. Is there anything Fedora specific that you guys want to talk about or like have asked? There is a way to theme libadwaita. Oh. Okay. How do you do that? Libadwaita theme. Give gradients a try. Okay. Yeah, so I'd have to go through and do literally all of the theming myself. Like I'd have to. I think you should back up .conf GTK4 and replace it from Capuchin. I don't think Capuchin has one for. Like I'd have to remake it myself. But yeah, really in all honesty, to be honest, I don't think I'm going to go through and try and do this shit anyway, because it just sounds way too in-depth. And like, I'm going to have to port over the colors. It's not just a copy and paste job. Take a few seconds. And I've been considering checking out Noom for a while. I've actually been wanting to check this out. I talked about this earlier, but for anybody who was not in the live stream when I talked about it, Noom is a new Wayland compositor / window manager. Obviously, like if you don't know this, Wayland makes it to where your window manager is essentially the compos. Like it makes it to where there's not a separation between window manager and compositor. Like they're just slapped together. They're like butt fuck, you know, like they're one. Sorry for the crude terminology, but why not? Who cares? It's my channel. I can say whatever the fuck I want. So there we go. Okay, I have Fedora related question. With Fedora 37 beta, would you prefer to drink Pepsi or Mountain Dew? Mountain Dew, obviously. But don't have that in the house. It would be nice if we did, but we don't. Right now I'm drinking one of my sister's Seagram's Escapes. It's a 3% alcohol drink, so it might as well have no alcohol. It's a Jamaican Me Happy drink. I don't know. It's super fruity. It's good. Yeah. But I am kind of excited to check this one out because I do kind of want to check it out mainly because it's not only it doesn't look interesting, it also has a focus on like touchscreens and like tablets and stuff like that, which to me I find interesting because I would really love to have something on my computer that eventually I'll be able to put on my deck and mimic and have like a similar experience between my workstation and my deck. Not for any particular reason other than I like cohesive things. Like I like things to be at the very least similar. So I think that's going to be really cool. Check it. I'm at the very least going to check it out. Haven't really been able to find anyone on YouTube doing anything with Noom talking about it. Oh, thank you for asking, Peter. She's doing great. Yesterday, we may have gone out into town, and before we went out into town, she took a 100 milligram Delta 8 like weed, like she had a what was it, like a gummy worm, but it was like 100 milligrams of weed in it. Yeah, she was toasted yesterday. We got back home and she pretty much immediately threw up. Like she was she was so unbelievably stoned. We went to Steak and Shake, and let's just say we both had great meals there. Hers better than mine. And she also ended up having 2 strawberry milkshakes, which I'm going to be honest, like the weed probably didn't make her throw up. It was probably all the food and the milkshakes on the stomach that did that. So, like, when it comes to like Noom, it just looks so damn good. Like, it looks really good. Like, I, I really, really like the Wayland composite. Like, I really like Noom. I think it looks really good. I think it looks really interesting. Because like the way it works is just so nice. Like it is really nice. Like I really like the way that it looks. But I don't know. I'm gonna have to try it out because for all I know, there could be some serious problems with it. You know, like I don't know. I just genuinely don't know. But I really like the way that it looks. Seems very cool. But we'll see. We'll see how much I actually like it. We'll see. Well, no, she is still doing the diet, but yeah, I would guess that eating weed gummies does not help you stick to your diet at all. It's probably not worth it, but I found Capuchin GTK theme. It has GTK 4 if you want to try that after stream. Oh, Atosh, thank you, man. Thank you. I will. I won't put a guarantee that I'll check it out, but hold on. Let's see. Capuchin. Dash GTK theme. I'm going to assume this is the one that you're talking about. Mocha BL. Do you have a Mocha? Nope. Well, LB, like I'm so confused. Mocha, BLB. What is the difference? Yeah, I'll pass on Fedora. Still not a fan. I'll stay with StormOS and Gentoo. That's good, Ben. Ben, sorry, I was stretching. I mean, do whatever you want to. Yeah, Ben, you complain about Fedora all the time, like all the time. But I got to be honest, um, I don't understand it. I've never had an issue with Fedora. It always works, just as expected. Um, like, but I mean, to be honest, I would pick Gentoo over StormOS. Got to be honest. I tried StormOS not too long ago. It was really bad. I'm just gonna be honest with you, man. It was really fucking bad. Like, it wouldn't boot on any machines that I tried to. In a VM, I got it working. It was broken. Like, almost nothing worked. I believe I even had to repair the Arch keyring. I'm pretty sure. So I don't I don't know. Like, it was pretty bad. Um, Actually, with NVIDIA on Fedora, I found it better than Ubuntu/Mint. Wait, with NVIDIA, yeah, on those distros, the new kernel driver breaks OpenShot Infinix. Yeah, I don't know. Like, to be honest, regardless of what graphics cards you have, nowadays, not so much with Mint, but definitely mainline Ubuntu, it's just unusable across the board. It's I mean, I can't remember who I was talking with about it, but I'm pretty sure I've talked with a few people about it on Discord. Like, there's constant issues with Ubuntu now. Like, Ubuntu never detects the proper color profile for my monitors anymore. Like, I'll get like a pink hue, or just the colors are completely wrong. Like, they're just terribly, terribly wrong, and I'll have to set a custom, like, I'll have to set a shitload of custom stuff. Like, it's such a nightmare. Like, I have to fix the color display or color profile for the monitor. Then a lot of the times on Ubuntu, I have to get extra packages just to get like gaming working. Like I have to do a whole bunch of extra shit on top of just installing a driver. Which, if that was it, I could understand it. But I don't know. Ubuntu has just gotten really tedious to use as a regular person who just wants to play games and like fiddle around with a computer. Ubuntu seems to be going backwards in time. But do you think that if I would trick her into 2 to 3 gummy bears, she would marry me? No, but I mean, you can keep trying. I mean, there's nothing more endearing, in my opinion, than a random person on the internet who you've never met before. Just just trying to get you to marry them. Like, it's sweet. LB is legacy buttons and B is borderless. Oh, oh, thank you. Wow, all right. Um, hmm. Well, can I just do? Where's the mocha? Can I do the? Hmm. I don't want the legacy. Can I just get like? Where's just mocha, bruh? Where's like just mocha? I want it with the border, and I don't want border L. Oh, okay. B is just okay. Okay, gotcha. Mocha. B. There we go. Download. Cool. Okay, so copy, or no, excuse me, cut into show hidden files, dot themes, and post. Oh yeah, it's all good, man. I've used an RPM based distro since CentOS 4. I have not. I've just bounced around. Well, not really. I mean, for a long time, Arch was my home. Like, you know. I used Fedora like 10 years ago and gamed on it with NVIDIA. Never had any problems. Dude, like, I would have to say, gaming on Fedora 10 years ago, it has probably improved. Not 100%, 3,000%. Gotta be honest. Because I remember, like, gaming on Linux just in general was really rough. Really rough back in the day. It's fixed now. Everyone who's tried StormOS has been happy with it. I respectfully disagree, Ben. BL is borderless. Sorry. Yeah, no, you're good. You're good. You're good. What do you think is the best theme to make GNOME 42, 43 look like Mac OS Snow Leopard? Dude, that is a good question. Actually, you know what? Let's do that. I really like Snow Leopard back in the day. Like, I really like Snow Leopard. Like, really, really like Snow Leopard. So, first things first, let's get this like new theme tried out. Let's see if we can get this like installed system wide. Mocha B. Perfect. Okay. Yes. So now it's everywhere, right? Like if I load up the calendar, damn it, it's only legacy applications. So how do we get the GTK4 theme to go everywhere? No, I don't want GIMP, but thank you, GIMP. I'm so confuzzled. Well, Ben, all I've got to say is stop asking friends to try it out for you. Get real feedback from other people, because I mean, you remember the last time that we had a whole bunch of like random people from the channel try out StormOS, and you get a lot of critical feedback. There's still a lot of work that needs to be done on StormOS, like a lot. .config GTK4. So wait, like, okay, okay, okay. Let me just here cd into .config GTK4. Okay. Let's vim into settings. GTK preferred dark theme. Okay, so the what do we add in here? Is it just like let's find out, boys. GTK4 theme. Okay, the themes must be placed in new path. Oh, with the name GTK CSS. Okay, but for themes to be applied to GTK4 libadwaita, the themes must be placed in the new path with the name gtk.css. This will apply the themes automatically without the use of GNOME tweaks. Okay, so I need to move something from there into, oh, damn it, my files application is fucking up again. Okay, hold on. Q out of here, kill all Nautilus. Again, this is not GNOME's fault, or Nautilus's fault. This is literally all to do with my big fucking hard drive that's like just got too much shit on it. Let's see. So my dot themes. GTK4 GTK.css. GTK.css. Let's click copy, and let's move that over to .config GTK4 and paste. Okay. So I'm gonna assume I need to like log out and log back in some shit. I'm just gonna assume this will apply themes. Okay. Back up that and put GTK4 from Capuchin. There are some CSS files. Just put everything from Capuchin's. Oh, okay. So put everything from Capuchin's folder in there. Okay. Gotcha. Okay. Oh, wait. Hold on. Did that do it? I think it did. The icons seem to be a little bit spaced out a little bit more. Just a wee bit. Just tiny bit. Don't show hidden files. So the terminal's working. How about software? Yeah, okay, no, so software's still not working. Okay. All right. So apparently Nautilus is a little bit of a legacy app. Did not know that. All right. Themes. Okay, boo. GTK4. Let's take this GTK and GTK dark CSS and the assets. Let's take all of this, click copy, go up here to .config GTK4, wherever it is, GTK4, and apost, and replace. Okay, now settings INI, still the same, cool, perfect, close that. Now if I open up software, damn it, how much you want to bet I just got to do a restart? Or like a re-log in, and it'll be there. I guarantee that's it. As I mentioned before, they are applied automatically, but if you have applications open, you'll have to close and open them for the theme to be applied. Okay, well wait, it's saying that I should just have to open them or close them and open them. Yeah, I've copied over the asset. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to do a restart. I guarantee that's it. Guarantee that's it. Let me go back into .configs and check it. .config GTK4. Yeah. I don't know. I'll just have to do a relog in and see if it takes it. But yeah, so that's so far. That's some very basic Capuchin theming for some reason. But yeah, there's plenty of Snow Leopard themes. But I don't know about Snow Leopard, Leopard GTK4 themes. I have no idea about that. Snow Leopard GTK2 themes. Hell yeah. Doesn't that look just like it? Looks just like it. Oh, God, it looks perfect. Oh, wouldn't you like to be running this? Oh my God, like that's just wowzers. Well, all right, boys. I think I'm going to have to head off. I've got my family moving around the background, and I'm going to assume it is shot o'clock, which we're on a stay-home vacation this week. So, like every hour or so, hour and a half, we do shot o'clock. Whole family meets for shots. So I think I'm going to have to go meet my family for some shot, or a shot. I hope all you guys are doing fantastic. I'm sorry for being gone for so long, and I make no promises at regular content, So who knows? I might be coming back at you with another mess around with GNOME live stream. Might just play some DayZ here before too long. Or who knows? I might just buddy shush. Or who knows? Might just end up, doing some good lord, what am I trying to say? Doing some Noom content. Checking out Noom. I have no idea. Well, it depends. I'll see you boys.